These units are available in 4 sizes: 1.3, 2.5, 4, and 6 gallons, and they have an appliance cord that plugs into a standard electrical outlet. They use basic glass-lined tank technology and are only sold through dealers. The guarantee on the tank is not very good when compared to other brands. They have basic electromechanical temperature controls. This brand receives an overall 1-star don't buy rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.